If mechanical assistance is required to lift the anchor on board, a tackle hung from a point well up the mast, this is known as an anchor burton, may be used. The anchor is brought to the stem head, the halyard or burton is hooked onto it and hauled taut. A little chain is then veered so that the anchor will drop aft, where it is lifted over the rail and lowered to the deck. While that is being done, the yacht should be sailed so that the anchor is on the lee side, so as to help the hand who will have to bear out on the tackle to keep the anchor clear of the topsides. Large yachts generally have a tackle hanging from an iron cat davit near the bow. This is used in the same way as a burton, but the davit will keep the anchor clear of the side while it is being hauled up above the rail. The davit will almost certainly have to be unshipped when the yacht is underway, or the foot of the staysail of the jib sheets will foul it. But it's an awkward thing to stow, and the method of getting this anchor, which was, I believe, first used aboard the yacht Seven Bells, is better. A short spar is pivoted by means of a gooseneck to some convenient fitting on the foredeck, perhaps on top of the windlass or Samson post. It is rigged with foreguy and topping lift, and a short piece of rope where the hook hangs from its outer end. When the anchor has been brought to the stem head, the spar is swung forward and lowered almost to the rail, so that the short rope can be hooked to the anchor. A fathom or two of chain is paid out, and the foreguy is eased to let the anchor swing aft, where it is lifted over the rail by hauling on the topping lift. If the gooseneck is on the center fore and aft line, the spar will be able to handle either the port or starboard anchor. When not in use, it can be unshipped and stowed away to leave the foredeck clear.